Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Channel 21 World News Science Today. My name is Jason Kim, and I am here to discuss about a serious issue in the increase of global temperature. Industrialization, a significant cultural shift in the 19th century, has emitted an excessive amount of greenhouse gases into the Earth's atmosphere, which contributed to the increase of temperature and melting of ice sheets, creating a positive feedback in global warming. Despite the rapid industrialization that has been assisting humanity through transportation such as cars and mass production of goods from factories, it is making the Earth suffer by increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now, what is greenhouse gas? How is temperature rising? What is happening in the world, you might ask? So, we have arranged an interview with Mr. Danny Yu from NASA Korea to tell us about these scientific happenings.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Yu, and I will explain the process of global warming and greenhouse gases. First, solar photons are emitted from the sun onto the Earth's surface, which gets transformed into infrared photons. These photons, also known as heat, are trapped in the Earth's atmosphere because they bounce back by colliding with the greenhouse gases, such as CO2, methane gas, water vapor, and N2O. There are obviously many different reasons for the increase in greenhouse gases, but the dangerous effects are all the same.
I see. So heat is created by the trap of infrared and solar photons in our atmosphere. Looks like an unpredictable amount of heat will be trapped in our atmosphere. So, what are the dangerous effects in this whole process?
Well, this process may cause the melting of permafrost land ice. Throughout history, ocean pH levels remained stable until the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s. The century humans began to burn fossil fuel for energy. The greenhouse gases, CO2 especially, released from factories used to be helpful because they slowed climate change by diffusing into the ocean. However, the amount of CO2 humans created has increased sharply and began to alter the pH levels of the ocean's water. This pH change is deleterious to many sea animals, especially to crustaceans. This may arouse problems in the economy as many food from the ocean gets spoiled. And not only do the CO2 come from the factories, but they also get released from permafrost, ancient soil ice containing CO2. As Earth's temperature increases, permafrost melts and exacerbates the process. In other words, it generates a positive feedback of global warming.
I see. We also have confirmed data that land ice is melting. Also causes the ice sheets close to the sea melting. As you can see, increase of thermal expansion and melting of land ice is contributing to global sea level rise. Damage from coastal storms have been increasing for the coastal states. Depending on future emissions, global average sea level could rise to the 3.3 foot mark within this century.
There are two major reasons behind this occurrence. As global temperatures increase caused by the greenhouse effect, there is an increase in ocean heat content. In molecular levels, the water expands as there is heat applied to it. The second reason why sea levels rise is due to the melting of ice. Glaciers do not have much impact as they only expose the tip of the ice. But land ice releases great amounts of water because of its large surface area.
So what can we do to stop sea levels from rising? We can mitigate the increase in CO2 more by simple things that decrease the use of fossil fuels, like start walking or riding a bike, to close distances without using cars that emit CO2 gas into the atmosphere. For example, Korea is already using inaction by recommending the use of these no driving stickers that encourage the lessening of car usage. Remember, just a little bit of your efforts by walking short distances might help the world be a better place to live for people.
Audio Jungle.